Alright, where did it go? Okay. So, where's my command block at? Here it is. It's literally right on top of it. Okay. Take 2. This is a command that I figured out how to do. Okay. So, if you can remember these, they're from what videos I did. I hope this isn't set to 300 or something. Okay, actually, before I figure out it is, so you just add zeros to this, and then, so this is 3, is what it does. Alright, it just spawns way too many. That's what it does. Okay, not that explosive. So, if you add zeros, you make it 300. And I just spawned in more than one. Alright, give it a second. So, yeah. I don't exactly advise trying 300 because it takes a while. Okay, so anyways, there's 300. Is 300 enough there? No, it's not. Or actually, yeah, it's more than enough. So I'm going to turn this back to 3. This is what we're focusing on. So actually, wait, over here with this command, I was like, it summons a fireball anytime you throw down a snowball. Like that. So, actually it spawns in more than once sometimes. Anyways, I was like, oh wait, I'm just gonna try and see if I can make this own command that just summons fireballs. So let's start with what normal super snowballs are, at least for this command. So here is one normal super snowball. Here is one Ravager, and we actually might need a bit more super snowballs over here. I'm just gonna put a bit more in. Perfect. Easy. So that was a lot of super snowballs. That was a normal super snowball, and now I finally have more. So that's that on repeat. I'm just gonna spawn in another Ravager real quick. Okay, a lot of those weren't direct hits. That's not that. I can't speak. A lot of those weren't direct hits. That's why he didn't die in 2 seconds. But if we add zeros, actually, you know what? I'm gonna just do a simple 10. Alright. Pow. I don't know where those went, but they're gone. Okay, anyways, yeah, that's 10. So, I have a lot of these that are 10. Behold. Yeah. I don't advise trying this if you have a slow computer. Also, if you're wondering how to get this, I got it from I got it from another YouTuber, and I'm obviously not just gonna be like, oh, here, take this command that I definitely commanded myself. No, I just got it from somebody else. So I'm gonna link their video in the description. So, this is the command that I get started out with, a simple 3, except you can add zeros, like that. And now, it's 30. Then you throw one singular one, and it blows up everything. So, real quick, gonna make this 100. Alright, we're also gonna get lava and water. Alright, just do that. Alright, so there is a village that also suffered the wrath of these insanely huge holes that were created by what would seem to be aliens, but no, it was snowballs. That just sounds super weird. It was created by snowballs. Look at that, it literally blew up obsidian. Or it didn't blow up obsidian, it blew up lava and water. Anyways, their blast resistance is 100. So if you make that 100, it blows them up. I blew up an ender chest and 2 pieces of obsidian. I had to like exit out of Minecraft and get back in for the first time that I blew up obsidian. The second time, I waited like maybe 10 minutes for the game to register the explosion. And here's all it takes. Is 1, 2. So, yeah. If you have 100 put in, don't put a 2 right there. I mean, it can blow up obsidian, but it takes a little while for it to, you know, finally do. If you have a slow computer and it just absolutely explodes, then don't blame me. If you use any of these commands, I mean. Alright, now, we need to test these. We're just gonna make a little cage. Actually, you know what, it needs to be bigger. Actually, it needs to be bigger still. So this is probably good. You know why we need to be so big? Because if you look at my inventory, it looks like a gray egg. This is a rabbit. This is 3 Ravengers. This is an overpowered snowball. Or actually, no, it's an overpowered fireball. Eat. Okay, they all decided to blow themselves up. So I'll just set this to impulse. Alright, we have 1 of those. Actually, you know what, we need to put down a command block, set it to repeat, and dash summon iron gallons. Perfect. Alright, I'm gonna go under the world real quick. Oh. I feel stupid now. Yeah, I'm just gonna get some simple redstone like a normal human being. Redstone. Alright, so that I can flick the lever, I'm gonna do like that. Alright, perfect. Maybe a bit more, actually. Now, let's see here. We have 1, well, probably more than 1, but I don't know. Okay, it was 1. And there was 1 fireball. Here's another fireball. Behold. Alright, so that was barely any other. Well, that's not good. That's dumb. Oh my gosh, this is a horrible noise. What the heck? Alright, sure with this problem, because all we simply have to do is that. I could hit dash kill all entities, but instead, that's not as loud as it was before. Alright, so I could hit dash kill all entities, but instead I'm gonna make this a repeating command. What happens when you make this a repeating command block? Let me show you. That's what happens. Oh, they blew themselves up. I forgot. Oh my gosh. Rain, stop breaking all the fire. It sounds horrible. Oh my gosh. Oh, the rain actually listened to me. You get a fireball. You get a fireball. You get a fireball. Alright, so, that was probably very loud. Oh my gosh. Alright, now. It's time for one last thing. Okay, I don't need to break all this. Wait, I didn't. Alright, now it's time for one last thing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this 3 and then add zeros. Behold. Alright. So let's see here. Actually, this is a horrible place to do this. You know what? Look right over there. You may have seen this with the super snowballs, but okay, hang on a second. There were cows and pigs over here. Literally, it killed the cows and the sheep that were over here. And the explosion was literally, like, around here somewhere. And they were all the way over there. Okay. Oh my gosh. If somehow you get, like, 1 billion iron golems in your world, you're gonna have a lot of iron. Anyways, I do F5 and do like this sort of outro, but instead I'm just gonna throw a bunch of fireballs because my skin is a Steve. Because I haven't put my skin on the other thing. Wait, did I? I did. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna change this to that, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and goodbye.